Hey there. All right, so let's do a real estate listing really quickly, and I'm not going to do the full thing. I want to break up some of the text that the real estate agent had put together in their listing. If you're someone that's handling that for the real estate agent, um, you've probably seen where like it's a huge block of text. There's like no breaks whatsoever. Terrible, terrible copy. Like no one wants to read through that. Or maybe they've used all the real estate abbreviations like BR for bedroom and LL for lower level and UL for upper level and SS for stainless steel and all that. Um, the average person out on the street doesn't know what that crap is, especially if they're a first time home buyer. So when you're running these landing pages and ads associated with them, type the stuff out. I mean, like maybe BR might work for bedroom, but most of the time, people aren't going to know what that stuff is. So you don't want to lose them. So I'm just going to go out here. I'm going to copy details for this listing. So it's just one block of text. And if I got to Zillow, it's the same thing. Um, sorry, guys, I don't mean to knock you. And then I just want to pull this picture down really quickly. Nice house. It's a little old for me, though, in terms of like, I don't know, looks like it's for older people. Um, okay, no offense. And let me save that thing. It's fine. Got it. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and upload this picture. And really, like, what I wanted to show you guys for this video is I'm gonna try to make some of the copy a little bit more attractive without putting too much work and effort into it. So really, what I wanted to show you was, yeah, I can break this stuff up. No big deal. And then I think this might actually be the right thing. Like if this might be legit. I think it might be Lake and then Mitka or whatever is legit. Let's Google this. I don't know. Okay. Ha. No, there's another lake in the Minneapolis area that is like nothing but consonants. And that's what I was thinking this was, but nah, this is just short for Lake Minnetonka. So let's fix this. So yeah, I mean, like someone that's in Minneapolis, they're gonna know what this stands for. But come on, don't be lazy. I'll be lazy when I create this for you, but don't be lazy. So yeah, hardwood, really. And I'm not gonna do this for the whole freaking paragraph. I think you'll get the idea. Just let's break this up and try to break it up where it makes sense. So like if there's two sentences about the upper level or something like that, keep that together. Or if it's like two sentences about the master bedroom or something, keep that together. But the rest of it, just like break it up. Give your users a chance to read it. Okay, and then you can add some emojis in here. I'm not going to do that right now. Really what I wanted to show you here is, I haven't showed you this in any other videos yet, is you can change the font so that it's not just this default font. So what I want to do is I want this first line to have a headline, so I want to make it bigger and more bold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of code in here. So in HTML, when you have these are called tags. When you have these tags, you have like an opening tag and a closing tag. And when you close, you got to put that // in there. So for headline tags, it's H1 or H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. And then H1 is the biggest. So go ahead and save this. We'll view it. So as you can see here, when I made it H1, it's actually the same size and bold, just as the actual headline in the previous field. And we don't want that, because then that looks funky. I mean, if I really wanted both those lines to be the same width and height and so forth, the same font size it is, I could have just copied this sentence there and then dropped it in here. And yeah, in any of these fields like this, you can add in rows and so forth. So just to show you, actually, let's do this. What I'm doing in here is I just want to show you that by adding that sentence, that first line up here in the headline, we're going to see that it's going to be just the same size as up here. But to kind of also show you as well that whenever you go up in numbers in terms of like the H1 through H6 here, your headline is going to decrease in size. So let's do that. Let's save this and view it. So there you go. So as you can see, that first line, it's the same font size as that top line there. And then, as you can see, H3 is much smaller than H1. All right. Now, when I uploaded my image, I accidentally uploaded it in the logo area. I didn't mean to do that. I'm a moron. You'll have that, right? So I guess here's a learning opportunity. Let's go in here and fix this. So if I go into the edit, then I can override that by selecting some other icon. So let's do that. That's one way to fix my mistake. And I'll show you another way too. So there's my logo, and it's left aligned. I don't like that. I'm gonna fix that, but I'm not even going to worry about making it left aligned at this point. Now what I'm going to show you is the other way to fix the logo issue. Let's say you don't want a logo, or let's say you created a logo, or I mean, sorry, you added an image, but it's not your logo. You don't really want that. You don't have your logo ready. You just want to get rid of that image so that you don't forget later. So the other way to fix this is just go in this field here and pull out that link, and then as you can see, now my logo's on. All right. That's pretty much it that I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks.